Yesterday, I show you how to draw a valid demand zone, the one wey remove trend line and show real power. Market no dey move one direction forever. If you understand demand and you no understand supply, you dey see half of the picture. Today, I go show you how to draw a proper supply zone using the same logic we use for demand. No confusion, no new rules, just structure. Before we continue, make I make something clear. Demand and supply na same concept, na only direction change. If demand na where buyers take control, supply na where sellers take control. So if demand remove bearish structure, supply remove bullish structure. Same mindset, same rules. So now, what is supply? Supply zones na area where sellers enter market with strength. Not every red candle be supply. Not every pullback be supply. The power of supply no dey the boss. The power dey inside what price remove when e leave this area. So that one go carry us go how to draw supply, and we go do am in 3 steps. Step 1, first thing first, na trend. Before I draw supply zones, I ask one simple question: who dey control the market now? If market dey make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, buyers dey control of the market. That means for supply to be valid, it must prove sellers don take control. Step 2, draw the trend line. Now I draw my trend line for bullish market. I connect the higher lows trend line show buying pressure. This trend line na be my structural guide. If nothing remove this trend line, I no respect any supply zones. Step 3, find the supply zone that remove the trend line. Now this na the key part. I no mark every supply zone. I only mark the one wey show in ten. So how supply go prove strength? Very simple. Price must leave the zone with strong bearish displacement and must remove trend line or break structure. See how price leave this area aggressively. No hesitation. Strong candle, trend line gone. That tells me sellers enter with purpose. If your supply zone no remove trend line, e no confirm strength. If price no break structure, price never prove control. This boss alone no be confirmation. Make I save you from common beginner mistake. Mistake number 1: marking supply zones inside consolidation. Mistake number 2: weak candle without displacement. Mistake number 3: selling against the higher time frame demand. Mistake number 4: entry trades immediately price touch the boss. Institution no dey rush. Now, how supply and demand work? Now connect this with demand. Demand remove bearish structure, while supply remove bullish structure. The same rule, different direction. Once you understand this, your chart go start to dey make sense. This na how smart money dey look market. No guessing, no over trading. Just wait for structure to speak. If this video help you, like and subscribe. If you be beginner wey want step-by-step guide on trend line, demand and supply, entries and risk management, I get structured PDF available. Link dey my description. I go see you for the next lesson.